Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can import a PDF into Microsoft Word and edit it. To do this, we're going to head right up here to the File action. We're going to give that a click. We're going to go down to Open. From Open, we're going to go to Browse. This is going to bring up the dialog box, your Explorer, your File Explorer. You can go ahead and just search for the PDF that you're looking to import. Mine's in here. I'm just going to go ahead over to my company and accounts. I'll head down to my expenses, my Crunch expense, this one right here, and just give it a double click. You're going to come up with this error message right here. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while, obviously depending on how big of a file that you have. And the resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains lots of graphics. Okay, so just bear that in mind. We'll click OK, and it's going to load up my invoice here from Crunch. Now, of course, you might actually have a little option up here to kind of say enable editing. You just give that a click. You'll have a warning message, etc., etc. Once you're happy with everything here, you can go ahead and click File, go to Save As, because you don't want to save it as the same PDF. We'll go to Browse. We'll come into here, and we could basically now make sure that when we're saving this, it says Word document .docx. I can go ahead and click Save, and now this is going to be saved right next to my PDF here, but this time it is a Word document. I can come in and I can edit all of this text as much as I need, and that, guys, is how you would go ahead and basically import a PDF document into Microsoft Word. If you found this useful and informative, smash the like button. If you want to stay updated with more hints and tips, subscribe, and don't forget to check that video out right there. It's one you don't want to miss.